How to delete past trips on Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll cover how to delete your past trips on Expedia, a topic that many of may find helpful. So if you've been struggling to remove old trips from your account, don't worry, we're here to guide you through the entire process with clear and easy steps. So to get started, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the trip section where you will see a list of all of your past trips. Click on the trip you want to delete, and in the top right corner of the screen, you will find a menu option for additional settings. Click on that, and you will see two options, that is Edit Trip Name and Delete Trip. To delete the trip, select the Delete Trip option, and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, the trip will be removed from your past trips list in Expedia. And just like that, you've cleaned up your trip history. Following this simple step gives you control over your travels and helps keep your account organized. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.